Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw ZEPHA the monster squid from the book series Beast Quest. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to make a little circle for the eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw another circle right here for another eye. Inside of here, I want to add the pupil. So I'm going to draw a circle, and then I'm just going to put a little slice taken out of it in there. So it's just kind of like drawing a little V shape in there. Then I'm going to add a little curved line underneath each eye. Now, starting here on this eye, I'm going to add a couple little curled lines right around it. And then I'm going to add a few curved lines right around this eye. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up to here. It goes out and then curves in. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes out. I'm going to come up to here. I'm going to come back and then curve to there. Then I'm just going to continue this line up, and I'm going to continue this one down. Then I'm going to add a little wavy line here, and I'm just going to draw this line. It's just going to come out and then go right to here. Then starting here, I want to make some tentacles. So I'm just going to draw some crazy lines around here. And then the trick is when drawing tentacles, you want to start out skinny, and then as they come back towards the body, you want them to get bigger and bigger, or wider. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to add some more. I'll do another one that just kind of curves around. And then you just want to do that same thing. Just bring it back. Start out skinny, then let it get wider. I'm going to draw another one that's going to curve around here. And then just let it get wider as it comes back. It's also good when you're drawing tentacles to make them kind of cross over each other. And this will just give it a little bit more of like a realistic effect. But you just want to kind of draw these tentacles going all over the place. I'm going to draw another one that goes right up here. Then you can also have tentacles coming out from behind them too. I'm going to start one right here. It's going to go around. This one's going to be really long. And then at the end of this one, I'm going to make a line that curves out. And then I'm going to curve back, kind of similar to the head shape. These are going to be kind of like these two really long tentacles that they have. And then same thing, as I bring it back, it's just going to get bigger and bigger. I'm going to add another one out here. I'll let it kind of cross over some of these tentacles. Line is going to curve up. It's going to come back like this. And then I'll just kind of do the same thing, just kind of curve it around. Then what you want to do is you want to figure out where you want to have the top and bottoms of the tentacles. So like I'm going to start here at this curve, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to come back to here. That way I can kind of see where the bottom of this is going to be. Some of these, what you can do to kind of show where there might be like suction cups, is add just some little bumps around here. And then other ones, what you can do is add like small little ovals in different spots. Just to kind of show where there might be like suction cups and different things. Some of these I might start like a curved line right here and go around so it looks like it's underneath there. This one I might just kind of come through here so it looks like it's kind of upside down. Might do the same thing on this one just so I see a little bit of it. This one I'm just going to bring it down to here and just kind of curve it around there. And there's lots of different ways you guys can do this. I'm going to kind of bring this line up here. Now for some more details on here, I'm going to draw a little line. It's just going to go down and up like this. And I'm going to add another little kind of broken line around there. Going to add a few little extra lines. And then just some more lines kind of around here. Add a couple little broken curved lines for some details. I'm going to go and add just some extra little lines right along the edge of all these tentacles, just to kind of show where there's some detail. A couple little long broken lines as well. I like to find areas where things kind of curve and I add an extra line just to show where there might be some extra details on there. Going to add some more right around here. And these lines just add detail, just kind of helps things look a little bit more realistic. Can add some like nice big suction cups on this one up here. And then you can always kind of come in and add extra details all over in here. Can add some extra ones kind of around different spots. Then I'm just going to kind of come up in here and add just some extra little details all around here. And maybe a few extra lines right around here. But there you go. There is your drawing of ZEPHA the monster squid from Beast Quest. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.